Shopkeeper. In the quaint town of Meadowville, nestled between rolling hills and lush green fields, lived a kind and humble shopkeeper named Mr. Patel. He owned a small, charming shop filled with everything from fresh produce to handcrafted goods. The shop's wooden shelves were lined with colorful jars of sweets, fragrant spices, and neatly arranged fruits and vegetables. Mr. Patel's shop was more than just a place to buy groceries. It was a gathering spot for the townspeople. They would often stop by for a chat, share stories, and seek Mr. Patel's advice on various matters. His warm smile and friendly demeanor made everyone feel welcome. Each morning, Mr. Patel would rise with the sun, ready to begin his day. He would open his shop early, ensuring everything was clean and well stocked. He greeted every customer with a genuine smile, always ready to lend a helping hand. One of Mr. Patel's most endearing qualities was his honesty. He believed that being truthful and fair was the foundation of a good life. His customers trusted him completely, knowing they could count on him to give the correct change, offer honest advice, and sell only the best quality goods. One bright and bustling market day, Mr. Patel's shop was filled with customers. The air was filled with the sounds of laughter, friendly chatter, and the occasional jingling of the shop's bell as people came and went. Mr. Patel was busy attending to everyone, making sure they found what they needed. Amid the hustle and bustle, a man named Mr. Sharma entered the shop. He was a traveler passing through Meadowville and needed to buy some supplies. Mr. Sharma was in a hurry, and after purchasing his items, he quickly left the shop. As Mr. Patel was tidying up the counter, he noticed a brown leather wallet lying there. It was Mr. Sharma's wallet, forgotten in the rush. Mr. Patel picked it up and realized it was filled with money and important documents. Mr. Patel's heart skipped a beat. He knew that losing such a wallet could be a great distress to anyone. Without a second thought, he decided to find Mr. Sharma and return the wallet to its rightful owner. He closed his shop temporarily, leaving a note on the door that he would be back soon. Mr. Patel walked through the busy streets of Meadowville, asking anyone he met if they had seen Mr. Sharma. After some time, he finally found Mr. Sharma near the edge of town, preparing to leave. "Excuse me, sir," Mr. Patel called out. "You left your wallet at my shop." Mr. Sharma turned around, surprised and relieved. "Oh, thank you so much. I didn't even realize it was missing," he said, his voice filled with gratitude. Mr. Patel handed over the wallet with a smile. "It's important to keep our belongings safe. I'm glad I could return it to you." Mr. Sharma was deeply touched by Mr. Patel's honesty. "You could have kept the wallet, and I would never have known. Your honesty is truly admirable," he said. Mr. Patel shrugged modestly. "Honesty is the best policy. It's how I was raised and how I choose to live." Mr. Sharma nodded, feeling inspired by Mr. Patel's words. He thanked Mr. Patel once more and continued on his journey, promising to spread the word about the kind and honest shopkeeper he had met in Meadowville. True to his word, Mr. Sharma told everyone he met about Mr. Patel's honesty. The story of the honest shopkeeper quickly spread throughout Meadowville and beyond. People from neighboring towns began to visit Mr. Patel's shop, curious to meet the man who had gained such a reputation. Mr. Patel's shop became busier than ever. New customers were eager to buy from him, knowing they could trust him completely. The shop, once a small local business, became the most popular place in town. Despite the increase in business, Mr. Patel remained humble and continued to treat every customer with the same kindness and honesty. The townspeople of Meadowville admired Mr. Patel even more. They saw how his honesty had brought prosperity to his shop and how he continued to serve everyone with a genuine smile. Mr. Patel's actions had a ripple effect, inspiring others in the community to be more honest and kind. The mayor of Meadowville decided to honor Mr. Patel for his contributions to the town. At a special ceremony, the mayor presented Mr. Patel with a plaque recognizing him as Meadowville's most honest citizen. Mr. Patel's story teaches us that honesty truly is the best policy. By being truthful and fair, we earn the trust and respect of others. Mr. Patel's honesty not only brought success to his shop but also made him a beloved and respected member of his community. His actions remind us that even small acts of honesty can have a big impact. When we choose to be honest, we create a better and more trusting world around us. Mr. Patel's story shows that doing the right thing, even when no one is watching, is always worth it. For more stories, like and subscribe our channel.